So in the last video, I showed y'all this. And I was like, dang, I should have a compost. That'd be perfect for a compost. Now we on that. Got this old garbage can. Finna hit it with some soap, water. Hit it with that, clean that up. Drill some holes in it. And we on it. Compost, in action, in motion, fast. That boy done, man. That boy done. Now I gotta drill some holes in it. All right, now we finna drill the holes. So I'm starting this compost with a few old oranges and tomatoes. And these boys terrible, bro. I'm mad I gotta cut these up. I'm gonna throw the knife away. But yeah, we got them. I got a whole bag of leaves. That's the browns. And I'm gonna find some more stuff that done probably expired and went bad and throw them in there too. I'm gonna show y'all, hold on. So right now I'm gonna make my compost. We got the basket, we got some leaves, some old food scraps, and then we got some old soil and some old stems and stuff like that. We gonna mix this up, get it together real quick. Got them boys cut up. We got some blood oranges we throwing in there. Got our leaves cut up. Now we gonna throw this old bread in there. 3 little slices. They say don't overdo the bread because it mold quick. Then we got some old onions we finna cut up, throw in there too. The onions cut up. This stuff in there. That's the final product. I know it don't look like much. I done covered everything up, but we composting. Finna throw that lid on there, clean this up, and we done. Compost secured.